In this video, I'm going to be going over how to disable automatic updates in WordPress step by step. Disabling automatic updates in WordPress is a quick and easy process. By the end of this video, you'll successfully have your updates disabled in WordPress. Let's get started. I'm here in the WordPress dashboard. Hover over Plugins in the left side menu. Click Add Plugin. In the search field, type in Easy Updates Manager. You'll see the plugin showing here. Click the Install Now button. Once it is done installing, click the Activate button. Next, in the left side menu, hover over Dashboard and click Updates Options. You'll be taken to the Easy Updates Manager plugin page. You'll see under the Disable All Updates, you can select Enable All Updates or Disable All Updates. Select Disable All Updates if you want to disable all automatic updates. And it'll disable automatic updates for the WordPress core and minor versions, plugin updates, theme updates, and translation updates. If you don't want to disable all updates, click the Enable All Updates here at the top. You can then scroll down to what you want to disable and just disable that. You'll see here the WordPress core updates. Click Disable Core Updates to disable the WordPress core updates. You'll see plugin updates. You can select Disable Plugin Updates if you want these disabled. You'll see theme updates. Click Disable Theme Updates to disable updates for themes. You'll see translation updates. Click Disable Translation Updates to disable these updates. Under notification emails, you can input a specific email address to be used here if you want. If left blank, the email used under General and Settings in WordPress is used. You can choose to disable and turn off any automatic update email notifications. You now know how to disable automatic updates in WordPress. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment. Let me know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tutorial videos.